Good morning to everyone. Today I am here to teach you English 1 Standard 4 and the lesson number is 2 Tigers. So through this lesson you will come to know about the nature of tiger. As we all know, tiger is the national animal of India. So let's begin. Tigers are meat-eating animals, just like lions. Tigers can be easily identified by their beautiful orange coats with black stripes on them. So, as we all know, tigers are meat-eating animals. They don't like eating leaves or any other things. They just like to eat meats. And we can identify tigers by their beautiful orange coats, and they have a black stripes on them. You can see in this picture there are many stripes on its body, and it is of orange and black color. They are larger than lions and are the heaviest animals of the cat family. So tigers belong to the cat family, and they are larger than lions and the heaviest animals of the cat family. They are feared by both humans and animals. So, as a human being, we are scared about wild animals. Just in the same way, tigers are also feared by both humans and animals. Bengal tigers are mostly found in India, although some are found in Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan as well. So Bengal tigers are mostly found in India, and they can also be found in Bangladesh, in other countries like Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan as well. Tigers have excellent eyesight and a sharp sense of smell. They guard their large territories, marking the boundaries of their area with scratch marks on trees and rocks as well as scent markings. So, tigers have a special ability, that is, they have excellent eyesight and they have sharp sense of smell. So even if the tigers are far away from their prey, they can notice by their excellent eyesight, and they have a strong sense of smell. So by smelling their prey, they could understand that their prey is near to by them. They guard their territories, marking the boundaries of their area with scratch marks on trees and rocks as well as scent markings. So the tigers, wherever they reside, they guard their territories, they guard their areas by making scratch marks on trees and rocks as well as scent markings. So scent markings means, here you can see, scent markings is the smells that some animals leave behind to mark their territories. As they have the habit of doing scratch mark on trees and rocks in order to recognize their territories, they also leave their smells on that area, that is called scent markings. These signals warn other tigers about the size of the tiger ruling the region. So by leaving these scent markings, the other animals could recognize that this territory is of this type of tigers. By looking at the scratch marks, the other animals could understand that this territory is of the tigers. Tigers usually communicate by roaring loudly. Sometimes, when other tigers enter their area, they defend it by fighting fiercely. So as a human being, we have our mother tongue. We can talk with each other, with human beings. In the same way, animals also communicate. And In the same way, tigers communicate by roaring loudly. And sometimes, when other tigers enter their area, they defend it by fighting fiercely. Fiercely means in an angry or violent way. So, whenever the other tigers enters the territory of the other tigers, they start fighting. So, the tigers try to defend it by fighting fiercely. That's all for today. Thank you.